Scott's Reviews. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking CPL filters. Today we're looking at Kase, K-A-S-E, the CPL 3. I'll show you right here what it looks like right here. Pretty cool. That's how much it costs. And I'm going to compare it with a third party. So we're going to go back and forth between the two and see which one, if you can tell the difference between the Kase filter and a third party like Amazon filter you could buy a little bit cheaper. So is it worth paying the extra money for a better CPL filter? Let's take a look. This is the Kase CPL LW82. So let's slap it on. F11-ish. So with Kase filters, they developed a new process when they coat their lens. The normal old way is to heat coat it, and the new way is what they're developing is a cold coating. As you can see here, you can see the glare is still showing on the normal CPL versus it's really diminished on the Kase. So I went out there and tried the same thing, showing the lights and see if I can see some flaring in the lens with the normal CPL. And here you can see the flare right there to the left on the normal CPL. And that seems to be diminished on the Kase filter with the CPL 3. With the pond here, you'll see that I'm running through it. I'm spinning the dial on the filter. You really can't see too much unless you look at the water where it changes up the glare. But you'll get a warmer effect with a Kase on this particular filter. See how the warmth of the light, which is the correct color of what it actually looks like. And then here it gives more of a bluish tone in the normal CPL. All right, so with the heat coating, this is what it looks like under the microscope when you look at the lens and how it's distorted. So with new 8K footage that's out there in the world, we want to get a better CPL. So we developed a cold coating here, which has less effect on the lens and distortion from the heat that it kind of disturbs. So I kind of looked at a computer screen to see if I can see some of the differences, and you can kind of see almost those same lines in the computer screen. So here it's a Kase filter. It all kind of has a nice effect over the screen. When I try the normal, you can look here. It's almost like a fingerprint that comes across. This one's really curved. Right here, right there. As you can see, it's really curved from the left-hand side of the screen, kind of showing the difference between the two filters. All right, took a picture of one of my lights outside. In here, you can see on the right-hand side, it's less glare on the filament. So you can kind of see more of a sharper image on the right-hand side. All right, this shot I took actually an image of both filters from the pool deck. And on the left-hand side, you can see where I used the Kase filter to take that shot. And on the right side is where I used the generic CPL to take that shot. So you can see on the left-hand side from the Kase filter that I was able to diminish most of the glare versus the right-hand side, which still shows that one stripe going across pretty well. So you can see the difference percentage-wise of the two different glares to kind of give you a best example. All right, well, that is it for this one, guys. This is the Kase filter, the circular polarizer generation 3. So if you're looking for a nice CPL out there, you should probably check this one out. Especially if you're doing higher image quality shots between 4K and now we got 8K out there. So you'll definitely see a difference between a better quality CPL versus a normal CPL. So anyway, links are down below. Check it out. Let me know what you think. And thanks for watching.